Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video is going to be all about the ordered list. So let's get started. First thing, we're going to put an OL for ordered list. Here we open, and our items are going to be inside a tag called LI for list items. LI. Now I'm going to add 3 more. And we're going to put Serie A teams by ranking. So Inter, AC Milan, Juventus, and Atlanta. Now let's check the browser, and here we can see that our list is numbered, and that's the difference between an ordered list and an ordered list. And here the order of the items actually matters. So let's go back to the VS Code, and now we're going to add an attribute type for the ordered list, which controls the way the list is ordered. I'm going to put a 1 here, and that's actually the default. So I'm gonna copy this list and do 4 more. And for the second one, I'm gonna put an uppercase A, and for the third I'm gonna put a lowercase a, and for the fourth I'm gonna put an uppercase I, and for the fifth I'm gonna put lowercase I. And now let's check what happens. So here our default, and here second one is for the uppercase A, here for the lowercase a, and the fourth for the uppercase Roman numerals, and for the fifth is the lowercase Roman numerals. So let's go back to VS Code. Now let's go to the first list, and we're going to add another attribute, which is start. And here we're going to decide at which number the list starts. So let's put 3, for example. Now let's check the browser, and here we can see that our list numerals just changed. It's starting from the number 3, and we can do that for the other ones too. So let's say we wanted to start from C, so start and 3. Now let's check the browser, and here we can see our list starts from the C. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.